Hi everyone, how are you today? Okay, so today I will be showing and teaching you how to help our environment, even in our own little kitchen, by used oil. Before, when I was in the Philippines, I thought used oil are just the crude oil or the oil that we use in our motorcycle or in the car, that it shouldn't be thrown away in the ground or wherever we want to throw it. I was actually a member of Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary in the Philippines, in Palawan, headed when I was there, headed by Commodore Rosalim Jasper. She actually originated the program in Palawan to properly dispose all the used oil, vehicle used oil in Palawan. But when I arrived here in the U.S., I learned that it's not only the crude oil or vehicle used oil that uh, we should properly dispose, but it's also the even the cooking oil that we are using when we fry, or the grease from bacon. Yeah, I've learned that here in the US. That's why this video is not actually for those who know how to dispose properly your used oil, but this is for those people who didn't know yet. So now we are trying to help. In this way, we are trying to help our environment as much as possible way we can, even just in this used oil. So I will be showing you what do we need in doing this. Okay, so here in my kitchen, I have here this this is actually a creamer, empty creamer, but I put a label like used oil. And then we need a funnel, and we need empty tin can or canned, empty tin can. So what I'm doing here, whenever I cook or fry something, I didn't once the oil is already once I'm already finished frying, I put the used oil here in this tin can. And then when it's already cold, I get a funnel and put it in this jar. So this jar is actually full. So yeah, I just filled it up today and ready for this for disposal in our on Friday or tomorrow when our garbage truck comes in. And then I will be getting another empty jar. So you just only need actually an empty. This is by the way, this jar is like a couple of months compilation, like maybe 3 months or 4 months, something like that. So you don't need to throw it away when it's still not full to save your jar. So that's the only things we need to do. We need in order for us to be able to help our environment in terms of used oil. Okay, so I hope you learned something today. Yeah, I hope you learned something today. And if you can do it also by yourself, it will be very good help, or a big help in our environment to maintain its safety and cleanliness. All right, so I'm gonna say bye bye now. Thanks for watching, and God bless you all. Go Mother Earth. All right.